Hi, my name is Haroon, but everybody calls me Aaron.
Nice to meet you, Aaron. So where are you from?
Well, originally I'm from America, but we moved to Pakistan when I was about 5 years old. How about you, Fakir?
I was born in Lahore and we lived there until I was 7. Then since my father is a military man, we have to move to different cities.
Oh yeah? What are some of the places you've lived?
Mostly we remained in Punjab. We spent a total of 10 years in Akhara, Sialkot, and Rawalpindi. We were transferred back to Lahore 3 years ago, but I think my parents would have stayed, let's say, another 5 years had it not been for my education.
Wow, it sounds like you've had an interesting life. So what do you do now?
I'm a student at Punjab University.
Oh really? What are you studying?
I'm doing MA in psychology. How about you? What do you do?
Well, I'm working as a sales representative for Blue Ball Computers.
No kidding. My brother works there too.
Thank you, I shall have to go now.
Thank you, sir.